Ain't nothing but a gangsta boy.
The dude, I'm a scared coming for your body. Each and every night, motherfucking niggas is pouring through the motherfucker and take all the money out their pocket. Take the bitch fucking in the mall and then what they gonna do, motherfucker, I'm a day gon' G's, motherfucker, I got juice, motherfucker, I'm something like 2,000, motherfucker, I got 3,000 barrels, motherfucker, make $2,000, motherfucker, I'm making the dang money. What you talking about? Best friend, you niggas get cat, and they fucking mouth, making me fucking. Motherfucker, I don't play, motherfucker, I will beat this nigga up so bad. Motherfucker, pick him up, throw him, let him stop his head, shoot on his ass. Motherfucker, what he gonna do? Mess around, okay, hit them toe block like that for a tornado. I'm gonna put those letters, stick real. Motherfucker, I'll rip it, throw it out. Motherfucker, all these niggas got smushed.